red velvet cake. Red velvet cake is my favorite. Well, all cakes are my favorite, but this is my other favorite cake. And as it says over here, it's red velvet cake. All right, let's get started because I really want cake. Now let's start our cake. First, you'll need a bowl of maida, some salt. We're gonna first, in one bowl, first we're gonna add the dry ingredients. So, dry ingredients are maida, salt, cocoa powder, baking soda, yep, that's it. Now we have to combine it well. That's it. Now we have to combine the wet ingredients. Alright, so let's get the wet ingredients. Now let's put the butter, 1 stick butter. Alright, let's put it in. And our sugar. Okay. My hands are so oily. Alright, now it's time to whisk it. Don't add 2 eggs at the same time. First add 1 egg and then whisk it. Now time for the second egg. Whoops. Now it's time to whisk it again. Now I'm done beating the eggs. It's time to add our vanilla extract. Pour it in. The vanilla extract smells so good. Now it's time to pour our oil. Now let's whisk it. It's time to add our buttermilk and vinegar. For the buttermilk, you have to add your vinegar inside it. And you have to mix it. Alright. Now let's add this in our batter. 1, 2. Let's whisk it again. Let's put our red food coloring. This is the main part of the red velvet cake. Right, let's whisk it again. Alright, now we're done mixing the red food coloring. Let's add the dry ingredients. Let's shift the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Now let's whisk it. Whisk it until they combine, but do not whisk too much. Alright guys, now I'm done mixing it. The batter looks so nice. And now it's time to transfer it into our baking pans. I have two 9-inch pans, so let's transfer them now. Alright, now we have to put these pans in the oven. I have two 9-inch pans. Now for the second pan. Alright. 350 and 20 minutes. I'm so excited for the cake. Now let's do our cheese cream frosting. For that, you need butter. Now let's beat it. The cream cheese. The cream cheese feels so weird. Alright, let's add it in. It's time to whisk it. Now let's add vanilla extract. A pinch of salt. Right. Now let's add sugar. Don't add the whole thing at the same time. Add batches of sugar. Alright, now let's whisk it. Now I'm done whisking the frosting. Now we have to wait for our cakes. They're done baking. Since it's really hot, the icing will melt on the cakes, so we have to wait. Alright, now the cakes has completely cooled off, the red velvet cake, and I trimmed off a little bit because it was kind of uneven, but I didn't throw away the trimmed out pieces. I'm gonna use it like decorations at last. You will see. Alright, first let's put our first cake over here. Alright, now we had to take some frosting. Now let's put our cream cheese frosting on. Looks so nice. whipping cream on the sides of the cake. Now let's coat the frosting on the sides of the cake. Now, let's add the icing to our cake. Alright, next part. Our cake is ready. The red velvet cake is ready. Finally, it's ready. I've been waiting for hours. The time has ran so fast. Finally, our cake's done. I'm ready to eat this cake right away. So let's eat it. Taste time. Now it's time to taste our yummy red velvet cake. All right, I bet it's gonna be really delicious.
Naya.
Oh.
Naya.
Yeah. Hey, let's taste it.
Mommy.
It's really delicious. I really love the red velvet cake. And the buttercream, not buttercream, cheese cream frosting is the best. I've never had cheese cream frosting before. It's the best cake I've ever tasted. You want the cake? Here, baby. Open your mouth. Open it. Open your mouth.
இப்படி திரும்பு
No, open it.
இங்க நில்லுடா.
Ah, she keeps on running. Right. Open. Yummy? Is it yummy? Yes. Thank you, baby. Oh, let's put the cake down. Say bye. Make sure to subscribe to Shamia's Kitchen and click on the bell button. Bye.
Bye.